In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can clear your YouTube search and watch history on both Android and iOS devices. Okay, so what you need to do is launch up the YouTube app, and once you're logged into the correct account, what you want to do is tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then you can see right at the bottom it says your data in YouTube. Go ahead and tap on that. That's going to open up this page, and then you just want to scroll down and you can see it says YouTube watch history. So what you want to do is tap on manage your YouTube watch history at the bottom, and then you'll be on the YouTube history page. Then you just want to scroll down and it will start showing you what you watched and what you searched for. So to delete any one of these, what you want to do is tap on those three vertical dots next to the video on the right, and then you tap on delete. And it says the activity you selected is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. So that's good. Tap on got it, and you can repeat that process. And if you want to just delete all of them, just tap on that little trash can icon next to the date and it'll delete for that specific date. Now, if you don't want YouTube to save your watch and search history, what you can do is tap on there at the top. It says saving activity. Go ahead and tap on that. And you can see YouTube history is on. If you don't want your history to be tracked, toggle that down and you can pause your YouTube watch history from here. So just tap on pause. And now YouTube won't be tracking your search and watch history. So that is how you clear your search and watch history on YouTube. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.